ganito yan eh. Kung yung mga may mga negosyo and they think that they are feeling generous, and if they give something to you, Christmas, ako wala akong ano. Yung tawag itong yawa na ito, yung tawag anang sa inyo yan, binigay ko sa inyo yan, hindi nyo alam ano yan, yawa. Tawag anak mo? No, not differ yan. Yung sa barangay, yung parang no, yung machine. Di ba yung karera na sa inyong EOR, inyo naman yan. Wala mo. Wala akong pakiram. Sige, bigay mo sa pulis. Hindi mo rin talaga mapigilan. So, alam mo, yung pulis, even sa pamilya nila, hirap yan. I know because I have been mayor for 23 years. I was a prosecutor for 8 years. Sinographer ko noon, asawa ni Wendell. She became a judge, but she passed away about 3 years ago. Kung alam ko yung laro, so basta wala lang lukuhan. If you are just content of maybe you want 50,000 and you are able to get something like 25 or 20, be content. Do not allow your greed to run away with all the, alam mo na, kalukuhan. So yan lang akin. Hindi ko kayo ipitin. Basta kung bigyan kayo, tanggapin ninyo. It is not bribery because it cannot be bribery because it is allowed by law. What I mean, if there is generosity in them, sabi ng anti-graft, you cannot accept gifts. Kalukuhan. I know that especially the police, if you are able to solve a crime, and you guys from Davao, alaman ninyo yan. If you are able to solve a crime and the family would like to be generous to you or would nurture a feeling of gratitude for what you accomplished, then by all means accept it. Wala akong ano. But to ask, that is something else. Mahirapan tayo dyan. I'm telling you to relay this message sa mga tao. Na ganon, just rindahan mo yung urine in the, yung walang katapusan. Look at the police officers.